Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran again, your healthy aging advocates, coaches, and authors of the bestseller 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age. We have a short but effective takeaway for you today, adapted from our book. It's about making wise choices, and it can change your life forever. Be sure to watch to the end, and let's get started now.
We are fortunate that we have so many choices in life. We all have the choice of being happy or unhappy. We have the choice to get upset or to stay calm. We can choose a positive outlook or a negative one. We can choose to be an optimist or a pessimist. We can be judgmental or accept others as they are. We can be disappointed or we can make the best of things. We can complain, overreact, lash out, or we can choose to remain peaceful. So how do we make sensible and thoughtful choices? We have the answers that work great for us and for many others who we mentor.
So we've come up with 5 ways of making wise choices that will help minimize future regrets. Number 1, it's very important to make wise choices using thoughtful discernment. That is, to think through what you decide to say or do before you act. Look at the big picture and consider all possible ramifications. Try to see the world through the eyes of others.
Make choices that do no harm to others or to yourself.
Number 3 is to avoid making quick, knee-jerk choices. Avoid overreacting or rushing into a choice.
Number 4, make choices that make you happy, lift your spirits, and cause you and others to feel good.
And number 5, understand that the outcome of your choices are solely your responsibility and not to be blamed on others. So there you have it. Making good choices on your life journey will help decrease your stress levels and increase your overall contentment. It puts you on the fast track to growing wiser and more insightful, starting at any age. We suggest that you take a few minutes to watch this video again and even write down some key notes to help you fortify this way of handling day-to-day choices.
So what is your opinion about making wise choices? Please let us know in the comments section below and ask any questions to which we will definitely reply. Share this video with friends who can benefit, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so we can keep offering tips and advice in videos like this.
Please join us also in our life goal, that is to die young as late as possible, and to feel good as we age, to look good, and to retain a youthful energy. Learn ways to be young at any age, and you can start by just watching our next video. We hope you'll come back again soon. See you then.